If you're struggling to log into Telegram because you can't get the email code you need, this tutorial is going to walk you through simple, effective ways to solve that problem. By the end, you'll know how to access your Telegram account by working around email issues, and you'll have a few troubleshooting tricks up your sleeve for future logins. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you can try is logging in through the Telegram web app. Open your browser and head to webtelegram.org. Sometimes the web version behaves differently, and you might find it lets you log in when your mobile app doesn't, especially if the problem is something temporary or device-specific. If you're able to log in here, be sure to check your messages, your settings, or even update your recovery info. It's a handy workaround that might just get you unstuck. If the web app doesn't do the trick, don't worry. Your next option is to use the official Telegram desktop app. You can download and install this directly from Telegram's website. Why give this a try? Sometimes the desktop app processes login requests a bit differently. Think of it as taking a new route home when there's a traffic jam on your usual one. After installing, attempt to log in using your usual details and pay attention to any prompts or options it gives you. Even if your phone's app isn't cooperating, the desktop version might let you in. Now let's talk about some general troubleshooting steps. These might seem basic, but they solve a surprisingly high number of issues. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Telegram from sending or receiving codes, and something as simple as toggling your network can make all the difference. Next, open your email and take a close look at your spam or junk folder. Email providers can be a bit overzealous, filtering out Telegram's verification codes as spam. Give it a moment and refresh your inbox. Sometimes emails take a minute to show up. If you see a Telegram email hiding there, mark it as not spam so future codes go to your inbox. If that hasn't solved things, go ahead and restart your Telegram app. Completely close it, don't just minimize. This refreshes the connection and clears any temporary glitches. If the issue keeps happening, consider uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from an official source like the Google Play Store or App Store. Installing from official channels ensures you're not picking up any bugs or outdated versions that could mess with logins. Are you setting up or changing your email on Telegram? It's really important to double-check that the recovery email address you entered is correct. A typo in your email can send your code into cyber nowhere, so take a moment. Precision here really matters. Make sure you can access that inbox, and nothing is blocking Telegram's emails. If you've enabled two-step verification on your Telegram account, remember you'll need to enter your correct password before Telegram will even send a code to your email. If you're unsure of your password, try resetting it and be patient. Security features are designed to protect you, not slow you down, even if it feels a bit frustrating right now. And if you've carefully worked through all these steps and still can't log in, it's time to reach out to Telegram support. Don't hesitate, they're there to help with stubborn issues, and you can explain what you've already tried so you're not repeating steps. I hope these tips helped you log back into your Telegram account, or at least moved you a step closer. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if there's another tech problem you'd like me to tackle next. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.